My people, how na dey? I see your babe MJ. Welcome to this tutorial class. I want to palazzo illustration. Somebody request them. So my fabric day here. I dey work with 30, with 40, then 39, then the tie measurement 25. Now I go take the top like this, maybe my waistline. So if my waistline dey here, I no go fix the waist measurements yet. But from the waist to the hip, for length 40, I dey take 10 inches to be my crotch depth. On top this line, I put the hip measurement 40 divided by 4. That one give me 10 inches. Then I'll come down after this hip line, just 1.5 inch or 2 inches. On top this line where I do next to the hip, I'll put the thigh measurement. My thigh measurement is 25. If I divide that one into 2, it will give me 12.5. Then you add 1 inch allowance. You know, so I don't do the hip measurement, I don't do the thigh measurement plus 1. Now I go need the hip curve to connect in between the thigh measurement and the hip measurement. But before I do that one, I'll draw the hip line, make it come down like this. For this point like this, I will go out by 1 inch. So now from the hip come the thigh line. I'll make sure say my hip curve will connect am. That curve no need to sharp, because if that curve dey too sharp, your trouser go rumple under. So from here, I dey go up, come the waistline. On top this line now, I will fix the waist measurement. The waist na 30 inches. So from that place, 7.5. If you want fix that, you fit put your data allowance. If you no want fix that, no problem. So I don't put my waist measurement. So from that waistline, I will connect to the hip. Now the length of the palazzo, length 39. But you know say you no go cut on top that 39. If not, it go short. So I go cut on top 41. So my full length don dey there. The easy thing with palazzo be say, now that same measurement wey dey your thigh, you go just straighten am all the way down. Now the easiest of trouser be this palazzo. That same measurement wey dey the thigh line, now you go trace all the way down. From this side too, the same line all the way down. So I free to cut. I put my waist measurement, hip measurement, 1.5 inch after the hip measurement. I put the thigh. Thigh divided by 2 plus 1. Then I use my hip curve, connect from the thigh, pass the hip, go the waist. Then the same measurements wey dey this thigh plus 1, I take am all the way down. My palazzo front done ready. So now I don't cut out the front part of my palazzo. My waistline dey there, hip, the thigh plus 1, then I straighten am all the way down. Now I will still use this front, cut the back. So now I don't place the front on top my remaining fabric to mark the back. The important thing is to mark the back. The back must get rise for this center back, the upside, so that the trouser no go dey fall for the bum bum. So I will need to add 1.5 for up like this. From this 1.5, I will connect the waist. That one is one important thing if you do any form of trouser. So you see as that place dey. Next to do this crotch side, I go extend this back 2.5 more than the front. Then the center back, I go add extra 2 allowance there. so that the back go dey wider than the front because of the bum. Now because na palazzo e don already wide, so I no need this my leg side make it wide again. I go just connect am come meet the front. But the major difference be say this upside of the back must get 1.5 inch rise or 1 inch, but this place must dey longer than the front depending on wetin the hip be. For this measurement, hip 40 na im make I use 2.5. Once the hip dey more than 45, e go reach up to 3 inches for this place. So I'll cut out the back. So now as I don cut the front and back out, easy way to join am. This center back, center front, I'll run stitch all the way up from the crotch reach the waist. The center back, I'll do the same. People get different techniques wey dem dey take sew. But this easy way, beginners fit sew their own trouser easily. So I'll run stitch from center back all the way down. Center front, I'll run another stitch all the way down. E go come remain the sides. So now I don join the center front, then I don join the center back too. So next thing to do na to close the sides. So I run stitch both sides, I close am all the way down, come fix band. So my palazzo don dey almost ready. Una go see how e be. But I wan do this summer top, wrap top, to go with the palazzo. Now my top go dey 23 inches long, then from one shoulder to the other shoulder 30 inches, so that my 30 inches dey there, and the length 23. So I will put am unfold like this, put neckline, very interesting top like that. Then I'll put neckline as you want am, but they do 3/3 by 2.5. I know they always like deep neck. Then I cut am out. So you see say it don't look like top. Now we will need to fold all the edges, pipe the neckline. Then we will need to attach rope to the 4 sides. 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. So when I don't attach am, you will see what it look like. So now I don ready to sew my top. The first thing where I go do, the sides, I go turn am first. The 2 sides. So I run my stitch from one end to the other end. So I don't lock the 2 sides like this. Then the next thing where I want to do, I will use this my material, pipe the lower side. I don't cut the rope, make it excess, so that when I pipe and finish, I go get excess for this side and the other side. Now that one will take tie the top, front and back. So now that one will do now. I don't pipe the lower side. You see the way the rope do. The last thing what I want to do now is to pipe the neckline. Once I don't pipe the neckline, the top done ready. So neckline. So now the neck done ready. I don't feel wait to model this thing. No go. So my top done set. So like this, I will be wearing. I'll tie this one, go back. Tie on here with my rope. Then the one will go back. I'll bring and come front. They feel out. Till another tutorial, and I see your babe NG. Bye.